Welcome to my channel. Dbit T1 Pro N300 Wi-Fi Router Setup Easy Wireless Installation Guide. First, unbox your Dbit T1 Pro N300 Wi-Fi router and take out the power adapter, Ethernet cable, and user manual. Plug the power adapter into the router and connect it to a power socket, then press the power button. Wait until the LED indicators light up. Now, take the Ethernet cable and connect one end to your modem and the other end to the WAN port of the Dbit T1 Pro router. This will bring the internet signal into your router. On your laptop or smartphone, go to Wi-Fi settings and connect to the router's default Wi-Fi network name, SSID, which is written on the backside of the router or in the manual. Once connected, open any web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Safari, and type 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1 in the address bar to access the router's setup page. A login screen will appear. Enter the default username and password, usually both are admin, printed on your router's sticker. The setup wizard will open. Select your internet connection type, dynamic IP, DHCP, static IP, or PPPoE. If you are not sure, contact your internet service provider, ISP. Next, set up your Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and create a strong Wi-Fi password for security. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to make it safe. Save the settings and wait for the router to reboot. The Wi-Fi light will turn stable once the internet is connected. Finally, reconnect your phone, laptop, or smart devices to the new Wi-Fi name using your password and enjoy a fast and stable internet connection. Thanks for watching.